Hello everybody, today we are going to be doing a drop test of this Casio solar powered pocket calculator. As you can see, it is a HS-8VA right here. It is really cold out, so I'm going to make this drop test really short. Maybe this video may be about 5 minutes long, so just letting you know. It is extremely cold. It's about I think it was 1 degrees or something. It is about 5 o'clock in the evening. It's just about sunset, and it's just about the drop test time. So let's start with a 3 feet drop. You're gonna be doing it on the back, side, and a front facing drop test. We'll be doing 2 heights and then an extreme drop test from 7 feet, so which is, you know, as high as I can reach. So let's go start with the 3 foot drop on the back in 3. Actually, let's move a location to a flat area. So 3 foot drop on the back in 3, 2, 1. Alright, here it is. It's calculating again. It's definitely still working, so we'll count it as a survival. Let's keep on going on the side drop test. So we're doing one on the side in 3, 2, 1 from 3 feet. So here it is. It's still working. So 3 foot on the front face in 3, 2, 1. It's holding up pretty good. Let's move on to the 5 foot drop test, about this high, on the back in 3, 2, 1. It is still on, so buttons are still working. Side drop test, 5 foot, 3, 2, 1. Still working. I'm impressed, Casio. Front facing drop test at 5 foot in 3, 2, 1. Oh, the digits are, it's still working. Oh, it will reset just fine. Everything's working. I think the battery could be dying because there's no sun. Like I said, it is very cold out. It's like 1 degrees or something. I'm not quite sure, but let's move on to the 7 foot drop in 3, 2, 1. It is still working, so we're gonna have to move on to a 15 foot drop test on my balcony. So let's do it. Right, about 15 foot drop on my balcony onto concrete in 3, 2, 1. Alright, that sounded really loud. I'm gonna go down and we'll check it out. Alright, here it is. Wonder if it's still... Oh my god. It's definitely not survived. It cracked the LCD and as well as the solar panel. I'll have to... it is still sort of working though, which is good. I'm not sure if you can see. It cracked the LCD even though it landed on its face. So we'll see about that. So it's really cold now. This is all ice slush. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and you know the drill. Stay subscribed.